So the Lightning email builder came out a couple of releases ago, and we'd rather a product in market than a perfect product. In great Salesforce fashion, they continue to improve this product. It's going to end up being a beast, and we can see some great improvements in this latest release. In this video, we take you through some of the improvements that are being made, some of which include things that have been asked for since it's come out, even since it's beta, such as utilizing it for operational emails, being able to adjust column numbers and widths very easily, being able to see how many people are in your segmentation list before sending, and a bunch of other things. We'll take you through it one by one and give you the rundown and how we feel about it.
Pardot Ninja.
Hey everyone, hope you're all well. Today we're going to cover off the latest releases within the Lightning email builder. Salesforce is continuously improving this product and bringing it more and more into the current state and what we've been waiting for as marketers and content creators and campaign managers. So it's great to see the improvements. There's certainly some further steps that it's going to make, and we're looking forward to that. But for now, we're going to take you through the main improvements that have come in the most recent release from Pardot. We're just going to use an existing template. It's certainly nothing that you'd be wanting to send to anyone. We're just putting some components in here just for the sake of taking you through what's actually being done. So I'm going to come in here and edit this particular list email. So one of the, might seem small, but it is something that was annoying. You can actually now straight away choose how many columns you want when you're creating a row. And then within that actual row, as you add more, see how it's uneven here? You used to have to sort of use your mathematics brain to work out how to even it. Now you can just click that button and it makes it evenly distributed, which, as I said, it might seem insignificant, but when you were building lots of emails, it used to get quite annoying. It is also great now that you can just pick them straight off the bat within this section on the left-hand side, or as I showed, when you actually create a new row, the options are there. In terms of the actual builder itself, that was the main advancement that we wanted to show. A lot of the improvements that have come out are actually more to do with the sendability and the options that you have that are becoming more aligned with what you'd be used to when using the classic email builder in Pardot. So I'm just going to jump out of this. So as you know, once you're done with your design and you're ready to send, you can come over here and go through the sending process. So the first thing that it's going to ask you, once it checks for unsubscribe tags and whatever else it needs to check for before it allows you to send, it's going to ask you, and this is new in the most recent release, you weren't able to send operational emails from this builder previously. Operational emails, as it says here, non-promotional emails. So what this allows you to do is it allows you to send operational emails to your entire database, regardless of if they've opted out or not. But to meet the compliance, you must make sure that it's not marketing material and it's purely operational. And it's actually going to make you go through some extra steps, which is great because you don't want to be breaching that compliance. So once you agree, it'll then let you progress. So let's say if we were just sticking to the standard sort of marketing piece, what you're going to be able to do is, obviously you want to pick a campaign, and then once you choose an need to make sure that I've picked a list with people in it. Once you actually choose a recipient list, you can now actually calculate the mailable prospects. So it'll actually tell you how many people are in that list. And it'll also do the calculation. If you do add people to the suppression list, it'll give you that updated number once you press that. So that's a new feature as well. Another piece here is adding to the sending and actually the reply to user functionality. So previously it was just one that you could put in. Now you can actually come in here and add multiple, just like you would in the classic email builder. Same goes with the reply to user. And then the last piece is the completion actions. So you can now actually choose completion actions off of a specific link. Now, one thing that I haven't done to demonstrate this that I've just realized is we don't have any specific links in the email that we've built. So it's actually not going to bring up the options to show, to essentially choose. But if you did have multiple clickable links in your email, they would come up as options here, and you could choose a specific completion action based on that click. And as you can see, you can then add multiple based off that one particular click. And if we did have more links, we'd be able to drill down even further. That's really the main, just a quick quick video based on what the advances have been with our Lightning email builder. We are looking forward to being able to actually view the backend HTML like we would in the classic builder. You know, if there is, just in case there is deliverability or rendering issues, and also, you know, adding that whole render testing, litmus testing to this builder. We're hoping that we see that in the coming couple of releases as well. As always, any questions, please feel free to reach out and we'll do our best to help you. Cheers.
Hey guys, thanks for watching that episode. We hope you got a lot of value out of it. Please don't forget to subscribe and engage with the content, because a lot of it is driven by you guys, the user. So we need to know your feedback. Cheers.